welcome to this demo of how to use Magipic.ai. First of all, you'll need your username and password that was sent to you by email in order to log into the system. Click Login and you'll be taken to the events dashboard. So the first thing you want to notice is that there's light and dark mode, so you can switch that easily at the top to light or dark. Sign out button is over there. Click back here to go to the events dashboard at any time. So to create an event, click Create an Event. You'll see you'll be able to give your event a name. Let's call it demo event. Description, this is a demo. Time and date, let's say we're going to do it in May on the 26th of 2025 at 4:30 p.m. Now, the filters that we want to use, I'm going to go for my two favorites, which are Detective Noir and also Cyberpunk. You can add as many filters as you like. We advise up to 5 if you're in a live event, but it's completely up to you. So you'll see the filters you selected over there. You can choose an overlay image. For the purposes of this demo, I'm not going to, but make sure that when you choose an image, you don't confuse overlay image and logo image. A logo image will go at the top left of your event, and the overlay will go around each image in your event, and we'll do another video about that. So to choose a logo, you just do an upload. You see that my logo's appeared here. I select the ratio. There are a range of ratios to choose from, and a countdown. It defaults at 3 seconds for a countdown, but you can have anywhere from nothing to 5 seconds. So I'm going to press confirm. You'll see that your new event would have appeared over here. And if you just click over here, not on the start button, you'll be able to double check the event logo image here, the ratio, and you'll be able to either duplicate your event, edit it, or access the album. So to start the event, let's go here. So first you'll need to select your camera. You'll see all the cameras available to you here. For the purposes of this, I've decided not to allow my camera. I'm going to upload an image. So here's a little selection that you can choose from. So when exiting the event, you can either have that when someone presses the button exit, nothing happens. That's that option. You can ask to confirm with a pop-up and say, do you really want to exit this event? Or you can enter a passcode that you give only to your workers or specific people handling the booth. So for example, I'm going to enter the passcode 1111. So it'll ask me for that at some point. Now, you can also set the numbers of filters per row, either choosing from here or over here. Let's say that you have loads and loads of filters used at your event. This comes really in handy. So I'm going to click that and save. Okay, so now we've done all that, we're going to go to the event itself. So I'm going to choose the filter. I'm going to select my gender. And then I'm going to upload an image. Okay, and I'm going to press go. If you're not happy with the photo that you take, obviously this is an upload, but if you're not happy, you can press retake. I'm going to press go. I'm going to wait for the image to appear. And here we go. So here is the image. And if I would like to recreate it from scratch, let's say I don't like this particular image, I can recreate it. Let's say that I want to print it now. I click on the print button. If I want to scan it using a QR code, I can click that and someone can scan it using their phone. Or I press done and then I can continue again. Now, if I press exit, remember what I told you earlier about the code. Let's see. If I want to exit, I have to enter the passcode. So I'm going to do my 1111 and it's going to exit the event and you're taken back to this screen. Now, you can see any of your events here. You can add to them, you can duplicate them. And that's pretty much it.